Meet the Guru Blimp, an aerial vehicle completely capable of driving, flying, and, yes, turning around in circles, all by itself. It's April 4th, the date of the deadline for the big Google Science Fair. After weeks of programming and construction, we are finally ready to fly. Unfortunately, Kansas City was experiencing wind gusts of up to 30 miles per hour. Not exactly ideal conditions to fly a lightweight blimp. So we ended up in a warehouse. We could not get GPS signal inside, but we overrode the code and flew anyways. We are outside demonstrating the GPS incorporation with the electronics. The onboard compass is reading a bearing and comparing it to a bearing calculated by a derived equation given latitude and longitude, all within the computer. When our program decides which direction we need to go, it rotates two servo motors to shift the propellers and provide vectored thrust to rotate the blimp. Once the real bearing and the one calculated by the equation are equal, the propellers go straight. Real-time input from the compass, GPS, and soon the barometer will tell the Guru blimp where it is versus where it should be with respect to bearing, location, and altitude. Here we examine further our steering mechanism. Instead of wings or rudders, we decided to use our propellers to also provide steering, a concept known as vectored thrust. We set a course for Mountain View, because that's where we hope to be in a few months. The computer uses the compass to determine if the vessel needs to go left or right, then adjust the propellers accordingly. To program the blimp, you must connect to the onboard computer's Wi-Fi and load a basic web application that displays control panel information and enables the user to input a string of locations to visit. So at this point, you must be asking yourself, why did we do this? Well, our project is twofold. First, we wanted to make a blimp that drives itself to GPS coordinates. Second, we wanted to calculate the accuracy of GPS technology by comparing final location with that of a given.